Just arrived here to the Singaporean airport. Check that out. Now they say this is the most beautiful. I have to say it's not bad. It's definitely not bad. I don't see what the hype's all about, but you know, there are aspects of it that are just so much nicer than what you would see like at a LAX. Like just look at the vegetation, screens everywhere, and the floor.
Check this out. Look at this airport. It doesn't look real. Look how cool it is. It's got trees, so many trees. It feels like a jungle. There's like a pond thing and fish. Wow, Singapore. Oh my gosh. And this isn't even Terminal 1, which I think that's where all the cool stuff is. So this is the lobby to our hotel. It's called Hotel Boss. That's where we rented a room. And it's actually really, really nice in here. Very cool lobby.
Whoa, guys, check this out. So in my hotel room, they actually have a robot. What? Oh, that is so sick.
So now that we are in Singapore, I only had Malaysian money, so I had to come here to exchange my Malaysian money for some Singapore money.
So check it out, guys. I came to find my rental bike that they have here in Singapore, and I stumbled across this beauty. Wow. And look at that. All right, guys, this is the V12 right here. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, you can't miss that. Then we got a return of this one. Oh, man. V12? That is sick. Oh, oh. Oh. What? Oh, now he's showing off. I love it. I love it. All right, guys, so I just filled up the tank, 2703. Just to give you an idea, that's 7 liters that I paid $21. Look at that. Oh, she ready. So I just filled her up, but surprisingly, I think that's the most out of any Asian country that I've paid for gasoline. All right, check it out, guys. I made it back in one piece. Got my, trying to figure out if I can get a voucher here, but let's see if I can park here at the hotel for free. We'll find out. Damn, look at all these buses. I think there's school buses here. Look at these vans. Damn, that looks insane. All right, check this out, you guys. This is Singaporean money right here. Excuse the little baby fives. How about I show you this bad boy? Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Come on now. 5 more. 5 more. Don't fucking quit, Brandon. Let's go. Bring that shit up. Bring that shit up. Come on. 4, 3. You got 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. Come on. 1 more. 1 more. Don't quit. Don't quit. Let's go. Woo! Bro, right there. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You think you finally have gone away from Subway. No. But it follows you to every country that you go to. That's insane. Let's see the menu. Hello. Thank you, bro. I just wanted to look at your... Oh, wow, you guys got bowls here? They got burritos. No way. This is way better than what we have in the States. What? Check it out, you guys. Hey, this is my PC. Dang, look at the size of that video card. Oh my God. Wow. Oh. Oh, this is the dream right here. Look at that. Water cooled. Dang. Probably a 5090. Although it looks kind of small to be a 5090. What? Oh, see. This more likely is a 5090. And I love this design that they have on the side there. Wow. Guys, I know I'm geeking out a bit, but check this motherboard out. This is insane. Look at all the ports that you have on this. What do you need 2 Ethernet ports for? Holy crap. Look at that. Damn. The potential of this board. Oh my God. I'm drooling. I have to show you guys this. Look at this. Oh my God. What do you guys think of this one? Everything's out in the open. I'm sure it'd be easy to clean, but the amount of fans that you have in here and the liquid cooling, damn. Impressive. They got a cheap one over here. What's cool though is that they do chairs and tables. So a lot of the tables here, as you can see, they have its own graphic, but you can see that they use a real wood, and it just encompassed the design on the middle of it. Chairs, they got laptops, and of course, what a setup. What? Oh, I am excited right now. Look at that. Nice big screens. Hello. Wow. Guys, check this seat out. I don't know why I'm so impressed by it. It just looks like a normal like theater seat, but it moves around. He's gonna teach me how to use this. How big is the screen here?
27.
Man, that's a lot bigger than most places. And look at the headset that they're giving us. Keyboard and mouse. Oh my God, we're looking fancy.
How happy are you right now?
Let's go. I'm so happy right now. This is I can already hear people in the game.
Are they speaking Chinese?
No, it's all American people.
Oh, that's good. So you understand them? But you have to read in Chinese on the screen.
Oh my God. That's not cool, bro. Come on. Oh.
Super comfy chairs.
Got you. Oh yeah, we ready now. 32. That's crazy. 3 G's for this one. Gives you a comparison of each video card.
Oh yeah.
Run at different frame rates.
So you can see the difference.
80 frames per second. So that just means every time the screen refreshes, that's another frame. So it's faster, so it's gonna have nicer textures, everything's gonna look a little bit more smooth. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. But look at the difference in the trees,
Yeah.
the way everything moves. Oh my god.
Yeah, you could really tell.